Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and I am unboxing Boxy Charm for January of 2020. So here's what it looks like inside. Just gonna get down to business, you guys. Here's a little paper, tells you about the stuff inside. Boxy Charm is a monthly subscription box. They have different prices depending on if you buy packages or if you do month to month. They also have larger boxes, that kind of thing. So, this is the regular box for January. And the first thing in here is Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. The Sets Makeup. It says you can use it under makeup to prep skin as well, and throughout the day to refresh. So that's cool. I like setting sprays that you can use to refresh throughout the day, and this looks really thick. I'm excited to try it. I have 2 setting sprays that are getting close to being finished, and then I have 2 other setting sprays that are more full. But you know, this will be my backup, and I'd like to try it. It looks pretty cool. So let's see. Then there's Wander Beauty Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. This is the blush and bronzer. I like a lighter bronzer. I don't usually use bronzer, sometimes in the summertime. Sometimes I do. Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil. I've heard about this. Someone else was saying how it works pretty well and castor oil is good for your lashes or something. But I'll try it. Curious about that. And here's Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer here. And I could definitely use another concealer. I bought a concealer that was a little bit too light, so whoops. So I'll just use that, you know, as a eyeshadow primer, and then I can use that one. And then the last thing, Ace Beauté Scarlet Dusk Palette. Just kind of getting into these guys, so it's kind of cool to have a new palette from them. It looks like a nice warm, like a sunset palette. It's got a lot of pinks and oranges and some maroons and stuff, so that's pretty. And that's everything that's in this month, and I do like it. It's definitely worth it. There's products that aren't always, I'm not sure if they're cruelty-free and vegan. I try to be cruelty-free and vegan, so I don't know if I'm going to keep Boxy Charm or not. So what do you think I should do? It seems like a lot of the things that I get are at least cruelty-free. I did get one thing that wasn't vegan in a couple packages back, so that kind of thing I'm not that into. So I'm kind of on the fence about keeping the subscription. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.